Hey everybody, it's Kelly with Inky Hands Warm Hearts. I'm so happy to be with you. Thanks for being here with me and for being a part of my channel. You guys mean so much to me, and I love that you share and subscribe and leave me comments because they make my day. You guys have no idea how much I get from the joy that I bring to you. And this is why I do what I do. I love what I do because I love sharing the joy of paper crafting. And so today we're going to make a holly Tic Tac treat holder. I didn't put a sentiment on it, but I really think I want a sentiment on it. And I was thinking about that today, and I thought, I'm just going to put it on when I record the video. So that's what we're going to do. So this slides off, okay? And then you open it like a little book, and then your little Tic Tacs slide in and out of your little holder here, okay? Isn't that awesome? And I think that we need a little sentiment, a little something that says holiday, but this is the perfect project to use up those scraps of cardstock and designer series paper that you have lying around. So I'm gonna move that little piece up there. And I found these cute Tic Tacs. They're Naughty or Nice candy cane Tic Tacs. I got them at Target, but you can get any Tic Tac. You just get their favorite color. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas or not Christmas, right? If it's just a little stocking stuffer, just get their favorite thing. For those of you who don't own this stamp set, it's in the annual catalog, so it's not going anywhere, but it may retire in April when that catalog, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure that if you don't own this, that you get it. It has some fantastic sentiments. I love that they're all different fonts, different sizes, and I think they're amazing. So Brightest Glow, that's what we are using for our sentiment. I'm going to start right with the sentiment first because we have to do it twice. So I decided to use the word joy. I just think that this is so pretty. And so I just grabbed scraps out of my scrap pile. We're going to stamp it twice. And I'm going to fussy cut it twice. It's such a beautiful sentiment. Let's clean it. And then I'll show you how to make the holder. So this is going to be ready. All right. So we're going to grab our and we'll start fussy cutting. So we're going to work our way around this J. I'm leaving a pretty decent border around, and I don't want to get so intricate, so I'm just gonna easily go around and leave something to hold on to. I want to pop this up, and I don't want to have to use just strips. Look how I got ink on my nail. It'll come off. I just have to grab a baby wipe. Which is why I have baby wipes in my craft room, because I am messy. All right, so there's the first joy. Oh, look what I did here. But it actually looks like it's supposed to be that way. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This sentiment is gorgeous. I'm going to show you how I was envisioning it in a minute, as soon as I get the second one cut out. I don't know why I made that so choppy, but I love when it's a little curly and a little bit round. All right, not too bad, not too hard to fussy cut this one. Just don't get super intricate. Just work your way around and leave lots of space. And here's our little dot for our J. So there's that one. All right. So let's get some dimensionals. Let's get the minis. I gotta find them. Here's my parts. Here's my, more parts. Where's my minis? Oh, here they are. Minis are perfect for this, but we may have to use parts. I might have got a little small, I guess. Let's do some down here. Let's use this piece. I like to use the edges for things like, you know, for stuff like this. And let's get the other one. Did I pull it off already? Oh no, here it is. All right. And I think we need, let's put one down the middle there. I love using the edges of our mini dimensionals for something like this. Work our way. Got one more. All right. And this is where I want, I'm going to show you. That is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? I love that. That's why I wanted to add the word. Okay. And so we'll put this one to the side. Let's go ahead and put our dimensionals on the back. Why not? We already have them out. And then it'll be ready. So we need 3, right? We need 1 for each of these guys. Come on. I can't even get this off of here. Good night. 1 for that one. 1 in the middle here. 1 for this long piece. Well, I'm just going to use all of these. Just do another one. We won't need any minis. All right, we're good now. I'll put this off to the side. All right, let's show how to make the Tic Tac holder now. I'm gonna push this in here. Well, I'm gonna try anyway. I have kind of a little mess going on. I have a holder that's right in front of me. See my scraps of basic white cardstock? I keep that on my desk because you never know. And look, that one I pulled for the Joy just fit perfect. All right, so we're gonna use a 3 by 4 5/8 piece. And see, it's a small piece. You think, what am I gonna do with that? You need another piece for the band that holds it inside. And this is 1 inch by 5 1/4. This is 3 by 4 5/8. But the 3 and 4 and 5 by 3, oh my gosh, I can't talk. The 3 inch by 4 5/8, you're only going to score on the long side, okay? And all you're gonna do is score 2 inches from each end. So you're gonna go to the, whoa, we're gonna go to the 2 inch mark and the 2 inch mark, okay? So you're gonna do that on both ends. That way you know it's gonna be perfectly even. You won't have to worry about anything. We are gonna burnish with our bone folder. Fantastic. All right, so that's our little book. Okay, so on the front, we're gonna have a piece of designer series paper that's 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. And that is our holly. Love this. Really pretty. See, pretty simple. This is like the world's simplest project. We're gonna glue again, but first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Tic Tacs, we're gonna lay them here, okay? And then we're gonna grab our belly band, and you're just gonna make sure you have it about equal. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you're going to press down and down, down and down. See what I'm doing? So those are going to be where they meet the back of your piece. So this one's going to go here, and then this one's going to go here, and then this is going to get attached inside, but we don't want it so tight that we can't get the Tic Tacs out. So don't make sure that it's not super tight, that you're not like, oh, right on the edge, like without any kind of wiggle room, but you don't want it loose, because if you leave it too loose, then it will fall out. So you kind of have to find your happy medium, okay? And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some adhesive on the top. And I'm going to hold that, or try to. And I'm going to place that where I want it to fit. Okay, and then that's that one. And I'm going to slide my Tic Tac out, okay? And I'm going to press that like that. Then I'm going to put adhesive on the other one. And don't go right up to that score line. So if you need some wiggle room, you'll have it, okay? And then you're going to bring that down and around, and then just lay it here where it will hold your little Tic Tac, and then just hold on to that till it grabs. And then you're going to slide your Tic Tacs in before it's fully dry and make sure that it's in the right place. And then slide out slowly and just hold on to that, press it into place. And then we're going to add a little piece on there. And this piece is 7/8 of an inch by 2 3/4. You can see how quick and easy it is to make this project, which is why I decided I wanted to put that little sentiment on there. And this is a great way, like I said, to use up scraps of cardstock and designer series paper. And who doesn't love Tic Tacs? I always keep Tic Tacs in my purse. I love them. All right, so there we go. Let's go ahead and put our Tic Tacs inside. Slide those puppies in. Good. All right, so now it's time to tie our little book together, okay? So the ribbon that I have chosen is 10 inches, and it's garden green ribbon. It's from the combo pack, Real Red and Garden Green. And all you're gonna do is wrap it around and tie it in a knot, and then tie another knot. So 2 knots, and don't make it so tight that it won't be able to slide off for them to get their Tic Tacs out, okay? So you're gonna make sure that when you pull it, you leave yourself a little wiggle room there. It's not super tight, okay? So don't yank it. Now we're gonna trim the edges, and I'm gonna slide this up and over. Okay, so let's trim. I'm gonna grab my ribbon scissors, and we're gonna snip this one, and then snip this one. So pretty. This ribbon is gorgeous. Okay, bring it down a little bit. We're gonna add our joy. And see, you don't even need a stamp set. Well, you can put any word set that you want to put on there. And you can make these for any occasion. You can make these for Valentine's Day. You can make these for Easter. You can make them for Halloween. Just change your paper and your colors, ribbon, and you have a great little treat. So there's our joy. Isn't that precious? I love it. So there you go. My Holly Tic Tac treat holder, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, share my video if you don't mind, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this video and this project. I'm so grateful to have you as part of my channel. Thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate you. Happy holidays. This is Kelly with Inky Hands Warm Hearts. Happy stamping.